Good morning to you, T Middle School. This is Mr. Sanders. And so I am excited today because even though I'll be out of office for the most part of the day, I'm excited to show you guys um, how we're going to use this app called the Equation Solver to help us solve equations. So what I'm going to do is just kind of quickly review you over how we solve equations and what I've taught you. Uh, you all have done an amazing job with solving equations. So I want to, where was I? Let's see, right here, I think. Yeah, right here. Well, I thought I was there, right there. All right, so even with this equation, 7n minus 2 equals 5n plus 6, you all can see right here how we use our strategy. So first thing we do is we eliminate a variable, and I taught you to eliminate the smallest one. So you can see my minus 5's there. And then we eliminate the coefficient. I'm sorry, the constant that's by the variable. So there I am using plus 2. And then the last thing I'm going to do is to eliminate the number, the coefficient of the variable, that 2. So I divide by 2 and I get n is equal to 4. Well, today I'm excited to show you how we can solve this same equation using technology. Okay, and so we see here the answer is n equals 4. So I'm going to show you how we can use the graphing calculator to come up with the same answer. Okay. So here's my calculator. This is what your calculator would look like if you were at school. And so I am just at my regular work screen or home screen. To get to that, you can go second mode, and that gets you to the regular work screen or home screen. So what I'm going to do now is to solve this equation, I'm going to hit the math button. I hit math one time, and it takes me to all of these different menus. Well, I want to go to the last one, so I'm going to click up to get to the solver. Okay, and so this is the numeric solver that I want to get to, so I'm going to press enter there. And then there's two boxes for me to fill in my equation. So the first box I'm going to put in the first half of the equation. The second box I'm going to put in the second half. So here I go. 7n minus 2. So I'm going to type in 7. And for the variable n, I'm just going to hit this x theta button, the button that's right next to the green button. So I'm going to hit that. And then minus 2. So there's the first half of my equation. Then I'm going to arrow down to the second box. I'm going to put in 5n plus 6, or 5 x theta button plus 6. So we'll always use the x for our variables. All right, I'm going to click OK. So that's just the graph button to click OK. And then to make it solve it, if you look, there's the word solve in green. So I need to hit the alpha button and the enter button to make it solve the equation. So I'm going to go alpha and then press enter. And there you'll see it shows me what my answer is. My answer is x is equal to 4. Okay, so the calculator has done all of these steps for you, and it has given you the answer. All you have to do is follow those steps. Okay, next. I also want to show you how you can use the Desmos calculator. So here, I just typed in Desmos calculator, and it'll take you to this screen. I know you've used Desmos before, but I'll just show you how I got to it. So I just went Desmos like that, and it took me to this screen. Okay, so I want to show that to you. Now I'm going to show you this equation that we were just working with. It was 7n minus 2 equals 5n plus 6. So here from Desmos, I'm going to type in 7x minus 2. So I'll go to my here. I have to go to my keyboard here. So I'm going to type in 7x minus 2 equals, and then let's see what else was on there. I can't remember. 5n plus 6. So that's going to be 5x plus 6. All right, and when you do that, you'll look, the graph shows you where the line touches the x-axis, and wherever it touches it at, that's where your solution is. And so if you'll look here, if I zoom in, this is touching it at 4. And if you just kind of hover your mouse over it, or if you're using a phone, you can just see, you can expand this and see that it is touching the x-axis at 4, and that's where our solution is. And so if you look here, our solution is 4, and on Desmos, it shows 4 as well. Okay, so I want to show you that, and so you guys can see for yourself that the calculator will do it. Now, Calc 84, I know I did not, or I haven't shown you that yet, but I got you hooked up because I made a video, YouTube video, showing all 3 platforms, the TI-84 platform, the Calc 84 platform, and the Desmos. I had a little bug with the Calc 84. It gets bougie on me, but I did work it out on there. So you'll see where I kind of got stuck, and I needed to tap or hit enter, I think, 2 times for it to show the solution, but it did show it. So you'll see that on my YouTube video. So I'm going to share that link along with this video to give you all the help that you need. All right, this is Mr. Sanders. Y'all make it a great Super Tuesday for me. We'll see you in the virtual world real soon. Bye-bye.